We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal. You don't get it! They're fattening us up so they can eat us!
Such a beautiful day.
Leafy corn. Corn.
Oh my God! Wow!
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that the sun.
Shut up, bitch!
That you're not alone.
Reggie, it's chilly.
Reggie, you're cold!
Get out of here, Reggie.
This is the one I want right here.
Sweetheart, I think we're gonna go with a bigger turkey, okay? Now, don't do that. No. This is your pardon turkey.
No! God, please, no!
And a chicken. And that's Paul. He's getting a divorce.
Huh?
It's a bald guy. And that's the girl who likes my daddy. But don't tell anyone. That's General Sagan.
He's got issues.
That's Marcia. She eats her feelings.
This is your destiny. What? Whatever you do, do not make a sound.
Hey, bestie.
I'm Jake from the TFF. That's Turkey Freedom Front. Ah!
I'm running.
We're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are? Why didn't you say so? Let's move! Ah!
Please don't hurt me.
I don't know who you are, but you're seriously jeopardizing this operation.
Are you insane? It's me.
Is it? Did you get off me? Oh!
You see this line? Do not come into my personal space.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that it's right.
He gave me this.
A doorknob.
The sacred time knob. This guy is a lunatic.
There's no secret base, and there's definitely no time machine. Okay, just because I'm following you does not mean I am following you.
What is it?
Ow! It's a map, you idiot!
Will it lead us to the time machine?
They aren't gonna just write time machine on the...
Where is it?
It's, we follow the blue line.
The blue line, of course.
Control, we have a contaminant in chamber 47.
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turkey, sir. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce.
Let's go, lesbians! Let's go!
No! Help!
Wait.
We went back in time! Reggie, come out here! You're gonna love this!
Sure, why not?
I've reconned the area. We are all alone.
This is a bad idea. This is a real wild forest. If anything happens to me, it's on your head.
Trust me, we're perfectly safe.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hi.
Hello, turkeys of ye olde time. We come from the future in a time machine named Steve to save...
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head.
Everyone, follow me. Here's the lyric. Stay in formation. In formation. Stay. Everyone, this way. This way. Everyone, get inside. Inside, get.
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?
Enough with your impressive and very gross display. Let's just get back home. If we weren't doing things, we'd become dumb. Don't you think?
I have traveled in a time machine named Steve.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You have traveled a great distance.
And your lovely wife. She's beautiful. So soft and feminine.
I love rules. I actually have a rule about following rules.
Me too.
No way. Kiss me.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I said, rules rule.
No, you didn't.
Is it hot in here? Are you hot? I mean, you are hot, but I'm...
Thank you, willing creature.
Never taken a lesson.
So was it scary? You know, traveling through time?
Nah. Takes a lot to rattle a turkey like me. Wish you could have seen it.
Oh, she can. Playback of time travel commences. This is where Reggie cries for his mommy.
Oh, that's sweet.
Give me a break. The great turkey, he's a voice inside your head.
How dare you?
The great turkey is real. I saw him with my own 2 eyes.
The more you say that name, the dumber it sounds. I mean,
And you will never be as great as the great turkey.
it means I need to go find the great turkey.
Oh, come on.
God's sake! Can you just stop? I've had enough...
You are the great turkey.
What?
I'm the great turkey?
No shit, Sherlock.
Wow, I really am an idiot. Hate to say I told you so. Technically, we're all idiots, but we're also all the great turkey. Who are you?
I am the great turkey.
But the most important thing for you to remember
Is that you must never give up. Ever.